Understanding the phrase, top banana. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, top banana. If you've ever heard someone use this expression and found yourself puzzled, you're in the right place. So, let's peel back the layers and find out what it really means to be the top banana in any field or situation. The phrase, top banana, originates from show business, particularly from the days of vaudeville in the early 20th century. It refers to the main comedian or the most important person in a comedy act. However, over time, the meaning has expanded beyond the stage. Today, top banana is a fun and informal way to refer to someone who is at the highest position in a group or organization, or who is the most important or influential person within a context. It's similar to being the head honcho, or the big cheese. Let's look at some examples to see how top banana is used in everyday language. In the company, she's the top banana, making all the final decisions. During the school play, he was the top banana, with the most lines and the lead role. I may be the team captain, but when it comes to strategy, she's the top banana. Using the phrase in different contexts helps convey that the person is highly respected or in charge, often with a sense of warmth or informality. Using top banana is best in casual conversation or in light-hearted business settings. It's not typically used in formal writing or serious business discussions. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe someone's role informally. Employ it when you want to add a touch of humor or affection. Avoid it in formal documents, serious articles, or if the situation calls for strict professionalism. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context and tone you use them in. The phrase, top banana, also gives us a glimpse into how language evolves with culture. The transition of this phrase from a stage term to common usage shows the influence of entertainment on everyday language. It reflects the creativity and humor inherent in English idiomatic expressions. That's a wrap on top banana. We hope this video has given you a juicy bite of knowledge and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one can make learning English fun and engaging. So go ahead, use top banana to describe the bigwig in your life, and see how it turns a regular conversation into a more colorful one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. See you next time.